The journey of transformation has truly been life-changing.
It's an excellent journey.
अल्लाह ताला के साथ ताल्लुक जो वो पहले से बेहतर हुआ है।
मैंने नमाज पढ़ के अल्लाह ताला से कहा कि यू डू नॉट लव मी।
In a world taken over by chaos, where AI is rising faster than humanity itself, we chase money, fame, status, and call it success. Yet every passing day, we fall apart from humanity. So ever wondered, what's the missing piece of this jigsaw puzzle?
Character.
Character.
Employers spoke, society echoed. We had brilliance, but not always integrity. Skill, but not empathy. And from that realization, a movement was born. Here, a man came with a vision. Professor Dr. Chaudhry Abdul Rahman, chairman of the Superior Group.
किसी कौम का सबसे बड़ा सरमाया उसके नौजवान है।
With a vision left to bring character back to the heart of human excellence. He studied philosophers, world leaders, researchers, and discovered the real blueprint for sustainable success, which was already revealed 1400 years ago in the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. With this belief, Professor Dr. Chaudhry Abdul Rahman set out on a journey not to teach, but to transform.
मेरे नबी पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने अगर दुनिया में कामयाबी हासिल की अल्लाह के बताए हुए सीधे रास्ते पे चल के मेहनत करके, तो हम क्यों नहीं हासिल कर सकते?
From Dubai, with a handful of believers, he introduced the idea of modern learning through prophetic wisdom, and the journey of character mastery began.
जब सर ने ये कहा कि बिफोर टीचिंग वैल्यूज टू स्टूडेंट हमें अपनी जात पे काम करना है, आई ट्रूली बिलीव्ड इन इट बिकॉज टू चेंज अदर्स फर्स्ट आई हैव टू बिकम अ लिविंग एग्जांपल ऑफ वैल्यूज आई विश टू सी इन अदर्स.
From one room in Dubai, a team of 76 mentors, teachers, and thinkers came together. Not designing a program, but rediscovering purpose. Every exercise, every dialogue, every reflection became a step towards how education can build hearts, not just minds.
ये सिर्फ एक वर्कशॉप नहीं, एक आईना था जिसमें हम अपनी आज तक गुजरने वाली जिंदगी का अक्स देख रहे थे और साथ ही साथ अपना तज़किया नफ्स कर रहे थे। पहली बार ऐसा हो रहा था। I was not just teaching, I was rediscovering myself.
In November 2024, when character mastery became the soul of Superior University. 738 faculty and staff united in one purpose: to embody prophetic virtues through modern education. It was a collective awakening where reflection became routine, empathy became culture, and leadership was redefined as service before self.
हर डिस्कशन में नबी अकरम सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की ज़िंदगी का कोई न कोई पहलू याद आता था। उनका इखलाक, उनका अदल, उनकी मॉरल वैल्यूज। It felt like we were walking in his footsteps little by little. I began to see teaching as an act of worship and service, as the essence of leadership.
The movement didn't stop at Superior. It sparked a national dialogue at the Rectors Conference 2024. Superior initiates the agenda of character mastery and gathered academic leaders from across Pakistan under one vision to reimagine higher education. Not just as teaching minds, but as building characters.
When our universities shape character, our nation shapes destiny. At Rector's Conference, we saw it was bigger than us. It was a movement calling every educator to awaken the soul of education itself. Because when students succeed with character, they rise as leaders.
And then character mastery stepped into the field. Sports became the canvas where values turned into action, where patience was tested, integrity was revealed, and teamwork became the reflection of unity.
जब करेक्टर मास्टरी को अटैच किया गया स्पोर्ट्स के साथ, तो देन आई रियलाइज दैट इट वाज नॉट अबाउट विनिंग और लूजिंग एनी मोर. इट वाज अबाउट प्लेइंग विद रिस्पेक्ट, विद ऑनेस्टी एंड विद यूनिटी. And yes, I did realize that values cannot be learned in the classroom, but these can only be practiced in the everyday life.
6 months of reflection, research, resilience. The movement evolved into its true form. A book emerged, Cultivating Leadership Character, authored by Professor Dr. Chaudhry Abdul Rahman. Written with purpose, a guide not for a select few, but for anyone seeking meaning beyond success.
Within its pages lives the prophetic model of leadership character. A call to rediscover and develop the virtues under the leadership of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, belongs to all of humanity. This book is a key for teaching to cultivate this model.
What started within Superior soon grew beyond its walls.
The spirit of character leadership began to spread across Pakistan.
जर्नी ऑफ लीडिंग विद कैरेक्टर ने सिर्फ हमारी सोच नहीं बदली, बल्कि तमाम एजुकेशनल कम्युनिटी को, लीडर्स को भी एक अवेकनिंग कॉल दी, एक नई सोच दी कि असल कामयाबी सिर्फ कॉम्पिटेंस में नहीं, बल्कि सच्चे और मजबूत किरदार में है।
जब से मैं प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में आया हूँ, मैं अपने टारगेट्स को और अपने प्रोजेक्ट्स को चेज करता रहा, लेकिन इस कैरेक्टर मास्टरी के सफ़र ने मुझे सिखाया है कि मैंने सिंसेरिटी पे काम करना है, मैंने ऑनेस्टी एंड इंटेग्रिटी के ऊपर काम करना है।
कैरेक्टर मास्टरी ने हमारा पर्सपेक्टिव ही चेंज किया, दैट हाउ वी सी अचीवमेंट, इट मेड इट human again.
And now the journey reaches its divine destination. 325 faculty and staff of Superior University, those who nurtured prophetic virtues all year,
embark on a sacred journey to Makkah and Medina.
Not just for worship, but for guided reflection, prayerful gratitude, and spiritual renewal.
चेयरमैन साहब ने कहा कि आप सब लोग जाएंगे। जैसे ही उन्होंने ये अनाउंसमेंट की, हम सब की आंखों में आंसू आ गए।
अल्लाह ताला ने आंसर्ड मी कि तुमसे मैं बहुत प्यार करता हूँ, इतना कि आई एम कॉलिंग यू टू माय होम। वो शख्स जो मुझे मेरे रब से मिला रहा है ना, उससे बेहतरीन इंसान कोई नहीं हो सकता मेरी जिंदगी में। कि मैं वहां जाऊंगी तो सबसे पहले पापा के नाम का एक जुमला अदा करूंगी।
I can simply say no words to explain.
जब इतने ज़्यादा लोगों को उम्रे पे जाने का मौका मिला, तो दिल में एहसास पैदा हुआ कि अगर हम अपने किरदार पर अमल करेंगे तो अल्लाह ताला हमारे रास्ते खोल देगा।
May these hearts return stronger, humbler, and more devoted to serving humanity. Just as our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us. This is not the limit of the program, It is the launch of a legacy that shapes hearts, guides minds, and awakens souls to the purpose of true success. From learning to living, from building values to leading with character, the journey goes on.